sa buwan ng Bika, Pandistritong Paligsahan noong Agosto 2025. Nagkamit na ikatlong pwesto sa pagbasa ng may pangunawa. Sertipiko ng pagkilala sa paligsahan ng Pandistritong Paligsahan ng buwan ng Bika. Ikalawang pwesto ng Tahi Rawan, Anika J. Jean Flores. Sila po ang nanalo sa buwan ng Bika ng paligsahan sa Lago Elementary School.
We would like photographer, please po, stay on your places po.
Standby tayo.
Parents, starts music po.
Ini-briefing pa sila.
Congratulations to our outstanding high school achievers. This moment is a testament to your tireless efforts, unwavering dedication, and unrelenting passion for excellence.
Great honors. Angeles Marvin J. Bernal Kenneth James Ho. And Bersola Linel Marian T. Congratulations, students. Great honors. Piñas Jan Simon R. Borlogan Y. R. And Demelsa Almea Jose E. with Procobo Jenica May C. Ramos Adrian Luis P. Reynoso Araya Grace A. And Raquel Princess Joanna Marie C. And si Mamas Rudy Jan S. Victoria Dong Jean E. Villanueva Ben Vincent U. And Villasana K. Mark.
Congratulations, students. With high honors. Bernardo Christian Marie. Melissa Micaela A. Barreto Nicole Steven. Pinyas Elaine Joy S. Congratulations. Next we have Bravo Christian Leon H. Cabrera Yesha Ray P. Calco Haley Louise C. Campos Princess Richard E. Congratulations, students. Colegio Aliyah C. Colosso Christian Marie E. Congratulations, students. With honors. Next we have Mohamed Juliana Catherine R. Contreras Sophia Denise. With honors. Next we have De Castro Yusha A. De Guzman Krista Joy L. And Del Santos Eliza Joy R. Congratulations, students. With honors. Edison Mark L. Ferrer Lisa Marie C. Francisco Angelica C. Congratulations, students. With honors. Congratulations, students. With honors. Next, Next we have Rachel Elia Lane D. Next, represado Niña Perpetua D. Requio Felicity Corazon C. Resty Chase Yuan R. Reyes John Nathan B. Congratulations, students! With honors. Next we have Robert Joshua B. Terrence M. Pamelda Eunice Grace Q. Hulda Princess Maya Air G. Congratulations, students! With honors. Next we have Uma Styla Jamina D. Ulo Lawrence Anthony A. Ucha John Ryder. Villanueva Maria Josefa L. Vinwala Anna B. Romelda Prince Jacob Evo R. Ducado Sapino B. Congratulations, students! With honors. I am pleased to present the students who have earned special recognition awards in the following field. For sports, Campos Princess Lincoln B. Athletics District Team 2025. For 100 meter sprint, district level, silver medalist. For 200 meter sprint, district level, bronze medalist. Athletics division level qualifier. Next we have Pamela Juliana Catherine R. Taekwondo Kyorugi Girls Division, district level, silver medalist. Next we have Hufansha J. Mariel E. Badminton Singles Girls Division, District Level, Silver Medalist. Badminton Division Level Qualifier. Our special recognition awards. Aguilion, Julie Ann Ricafort. Alberto Francis Gabriel S. Alboladora Arian. And Alonor Arian Luis A. And Castro Paula Micaela M. Congratulations, grade 9 achievers with honors. For the next batch, let's start with Kayana, Ria, Kyle, Jewel, Chloe, L. Cobreta, Chris, Jewel, Ray. Costales, Ellie Ron R. And Krausus, Jonan R. Congratulations, achievers, with honors. Alvira J. Next, we have Jose, Samantha, Haley R. Lebres, Vinola Jibril G. Legaspi, Princess Ayesha A. Makasa, Zyrene N. And Magno, Princess Pearl M. With honors. Next, we have Marvin Carl Angelo A. Marvin Denise Cassandra. Masayo Jane Lenyesa. Melgar Mark Jairus Crassus. And Nakar Shane B. Congratulations, grade 9 with honors. The next batch will start with Neanega, Allen, Ron, Olivia. Obrero, Althea, Lorene, Cebu. Omili, Jasmine D. Onda, John Roderick R. And Ogonda, Maria Elaine M. Congratulations, achievers, with honors. Manibatan, Misha Alexis G. Parico, Elisha Ada. Congratulations, grade 9 achievers, with honors. Next. And to complete the role of this year's Brian Bonds. District Rapid Chess Tournament, 3rd placer for chess. Next, we have Julie Ann Aguilion, District Meet Volleyball Girls Gold Medalist. Division Meet Volleyball Volleyball Girls bronze medalist. And Herbisco Volleyball League gold medalist. Congratulations, Julie and Mons. That's the wrap for grade 9 academic achievers and the special awards. And to announce the academic achievers for grade 11, my call on the stage, the ever supportive and dashing Ma'am Sarina Zavage Kunanan.
We request also our dear principal, our master teachers, Ma'am Ru, Ma'am Chile, the SPTA officers, Mrs. Mahusay, Mrs. Antonio, and Mrs. Abasolo to come up on stage. Thank you. And also, our
Palakpakan natin. Barangay Captain Freddy Rojas, palakpakan natin. SSC Mayor Joy Damonte, palakpakan natin. Kinikilala ngayong araw sa lahat ng mga magulang, sa lahat ng guro. Magandang hapon.
Congratulations, students! With high honors, Karil Ira M. Balingana, Amber A. Gregorio. Now let's have the students to obtain the WIC honors. To start with Joycel L. Abar, Andre James D. Abelardo, Diana S. Abelo, Mildred D. Adiova, and Jerlene R. Allen. Congratulations, students! With honors, Lorene V. Asturias, Yuri Rose Annie M. Baba, Mikey D. Bacalia, Icy G. Bahado, Irene G. Bahado, congratulations, students! With honors, Samuel Christ and Guevara, Kirsten Jillian C. Hernandez, Sean Aaron F. Impudo, Ryle Zion G. Havanillo, and Eleazar B. Humawan. Students, with honors, Viva.